This writ petition has been filed under Article 32 of the Constitution of India by the petitioner Mukesh Kumar a death row convict stop. The petitioner has filed the writ petition challenging the rejection of his mercy petition by the President of India and seeking commutation of his death sentence inter alia on the following grounds. Stop. Relevant materials were not placed before the President of India and they were kept out of consideration while considering the mercy petition. Stop. The mercy petition was rejected swiftly and there was predetermined stance and complete non-application of mind in rejection of the mercy petition. Stop. Solitary confinement of the petitioner for more than 1.5 years, due to which the petitioner has developed severe psychiatric ailments. Stop. Non-consideration of relevant circumstances like prisoners suffering in the prison and consideration of extraneous and irrelevant circumstances. And stop. Non-observance of established rules and guidelines in considering the petitioner's mercy petition. Stop. The present writ petition relates to rejection of petitioner's mercy petition by the President of India. Stop. The petitioner is a death row convict in Nirbhaya's case, which relates to the gang rape of the victim in the moving bus in Delhi on the night of 16 December 2012. Stop. The trial court convicted the petitioner and other co-accused by judgment dated 13th October 2013. Stop. The High Court confirmed the death sentence by its judgment dated 13 March 2014 and the Supreme Court confirmed the same wide judgment dated 5 July 2017. Stop. In the judgment dated 5 July 2017 in Mukesh and another versus State (start) NCT of Delhi (close) and others within bracket 2017 6 SCC 1, this court, after referring to various judgments and by elaborate reasonings, held that there were no extenuating or mitigating circumstances. Stop. Likewise, the trial court and the High Court have also recorded detailed reasonings that the incident was brutal and falling within the category of rarest of rare cases. Stop. The review petition was heard by the Supreme Court in open court and the same was considered and dismissed by judgment dated 9 2018. Stop. In the writ petition, the petitioner has enumerated dates and events right from the day of petitioner's arrest, that is 18 December 2012, from his village in connection with FIR number 413/2012 registered at Basant Bihar PS till 14th January 2020, the date on which the Supreme Court dismissed the petitioner's curative petition. Stop. According to the petitioner, after exhausting all his remedies, he has filed mercy petition on 14 January 2020 addressed to the President of India under Article 72 of the Constitution of India and to the Lieutenant Governor under Article 161 of the Constitution and through the Superintendent, the Hard Jail number 2. Stop. The Superintendent, Tihar Jail number 2, forwarded the petitioner's mercy petition along with his nominal role latest medical report of the petitioner, trial court judgment and details of the punishment of the petitioner to officer in charge legal prison Tihar Jail for processing of the petitioner's mercy petition stop.